Questers, it's Bianca here from Quest Accepted, and today's quest is going to challenge you to have cruise etiquette on your next cruise. Etiquette is basically how you should or are expected to act in public. You know, things like you shouldn't pick your nose in public or yell at the top of your lungs in public, those kind of things. Let's start with the elevators. On a cruise, the elevators can get crowded, and it seems like everyone is in a rush. People often crowd the doors, eager to get on as soon as they open, without giving anyone the chance to get off first. I've lost count of how many times I've seen passengers pushing to get on, leaving no space for those exiting the doors. It's surprising how often people forget the basic rule: let others off before you hop on. Next up, let's talk about the stairs. With so many people on board, it's important not to block the stairs by sitting or standing in the way. If you're with a group, don't take up the entire staircase. Instead, make sure to file in a single line to go up or down. It keeps things moving and makes it easier for everyone to get where they need to be. The third etiquette issue I want to address is saving pool chairs. If you're not using a chair, don't save it. There are already limited spots, and it's frustrating when people reserve multiple chairs for no reason. Now, if you're in the pool, that's different. But if you're just saving a row of chairs first thing in the morning and not even using them, come on, folks, let's use some common sense. The fourth point is using personal speakers in public spaces. No one wants to hear your music when the ship is already providing tunes, especially on the pool deck. If you want to use your speaker in your cabin, that's fine, but please not in public spaces. It's just rude and disrupts the peace. The fifth point is to be mindful of fellow cruisers with physical or cognitive disabilities, those using mobility aids like wheelchairs or scooters, or anyone who moves at a different pace. Everyone deserves to enjoy their vacation with dignity and ease, so let's show kindness, be patient, and cruise with compassion. The last point is about the buffet area. First and foremost, please wash your hands before entering, and don't cut in line to grab your food. Be sure to use the tongs, not your hands, when serving yourself. It's a simple way to keep things clean and courteous for everyone. How do you practice etiquette on a cruise? Follow Quest Accepted for more cruise and travel content.